Highways are banked on curves as a safety measure, ensuring that vehicles can navigate turns at reasonable speeds without skidding. When vehicles travel along curves, they experience centripetal force, which tends to pull them towards the center of the curve. If the road is flat, this force can cause vehicles to skid outward, especially at higher speeds. Banking the road on a curve means that the pavement is tilted towards the center of the curve. This design helps counteract the outward force by providing an additional component of normal force, a force perpendicular to the road surface, towards the center of the curve. This creates frictional force that opposes the skidding tendency. In essence, the banking of the road allows a portion of the gravitational force to assist in counteracting the centrifugal force, which is perceived from the vehicle's frame of reference as pulling it outwards. Thus, vehicles can travel more safely along the curve without losing traction. For a simple comparison, imagine a ball rolling around inside a tilted bowl. The ball naturally follows the curve without sliding out as long as it maintains a suitable speed. The banked road serves a similar purpose for vehicles, making curves less risky and safer for drivers.